Yesterday, I was all ready to go for an evening walk. And then I got a damn emergency alert that was like, stay at home, you bitch!
Hey guys, we are back with another recipe video. This time we're gonna make soy milk and egg pancakes. So to make the soy milk, it's not very hard. You just soak the beans, blend them, strain them, and boil them. Most of you guys already know how to milk nuts, and the only difference here is that you do have to boil it at the end to cook off the soybeans. You should never be eating raw beans. I mean, raw nut is fine. So I like to skim off the foam. Some people think that that's like very controversial, but like, who cares? Anyway, so we're on to making the egg pancakes. See, that was so easy, right? Alright, so to make this, it's just a little all-purpose flour, a little oil, and some water. The hard part is that I never really measure this, so just do it by feel, you know? Pour in enough water and I shake it around till it looks a little shaggy. And then I just mix it and knead it. It should be a pretty soft dough, and just kind of like let it plorp out on the side for a little bit. So 20 minutes later, you can come back, the dough is gonna be nice and glossy, and then you can cut it and shape it into cute little balls. They should be like golf ball sized or something. And then you can doopsie, crack a few eggs and add some scallions and some bean paste. And that'll be like your little pancake topping. And then just grab something round and cylindrical from around your house and roll it out. You'll put it into a hot pan with some oil and spread your egg mix all over it. I like to put a little oil on the egg side too, because I'm just like a bad girl like that. Anyway, you flip it over, let it brown on the egg side. It's like 2-3 minutes in total, probably. Takes a little bit of work, but as they say in Gay Paris, c'est bon.
Itadakimasu. I can feel it on my lips. It's like thick. I'm sure you could add other things to it, but I just love the taste as it is. Like if you had some stir-fried vegetables, you could roll it in there. Really, on its own, it already has a lot of flavor from the soybean paste and the egg and the scallion. Divine combination. Egg. On Friday, this is Sunday that I'm shooting. So on Friday, I had not quite a nervous breakdown. But I was just in like the shitty. Everyone's been doing emails lately. Because I've been hearing other people say when they're working from home, they work a lot longer, and there's like no boundary between when work starts and when work ends. Maybe that's what's happening to me. I don't want that. I was stressed. Ah! Okay. Talk to you guys later.